Rasor FP100 is a pneumatic cutting unit for textile and technical fabrics, even with multiple layers. A toolless variable finger protection fulfills highest standards of safety. An easy, fast connection allows to connect the machine to the air supply. With the half-automatic sharpening device, the blades can be reconditioned in between less than 10 seconds without dismantling. The machine can be fixed on O.E.M systems by using the flange or the Teflon-coated aluminum base. Thanks to the latest generation mechanical and pneumatic components, the excellent turbine reaches a power of 400 watts at 20,000 RPM with a high torque. The machine can be used for cutting edges and stripes, as well as for cross-cutting. For edge trimming, there is a right and a left mirrored version available. Blades in HSS steel and full hard metal quality with different shapes convert the Rasor FP100 into a universal pneumatic cutting tool for all industrial requests. The delivery contains the FP100, an extra blade, accessories, and the CE declaration with QR code for technical documentation download. Dimensional 3D files are available on request. Contact us for further information.